Magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Let us thank the Lord for gathering us in this beautiful Monday afternoon as we celebrate the 21st week in Ordinary Time. Our readings today, particularly the Gospel, ay may matinding hamon ho sa ating lahat. And upon reflecting our Gospel, I was reminded by the film entitled Stolen Summer. It narrates the touching story of a certain Pete, a boy with a mission to convert one Jew to enter him to heaven. His friendship with Danny, another character, the son of a rabbi, gave him the chance to fulfill his mission. In his little way, he tried to convince his playmate that he can enter heaven when he passes the test. Pete himself, in his innocent way, prescribes. So Danny eventually passed the test. But the story has a sad twist. Danny died of leukemia. At the end of the film, he talked with the rabbi who was grieving over the loss of his son and said, Jesus is only a symbol. It does not matter what name you call him. Every name would fit as long as this name symbolizes something good. If you Jew don't like the name Jesus, you could perhaps choose another name. And the rabbi asked him, what name would you suggest? And Pete replied, Danny. I think that will help you in your job, in your mission. My dear brothers and sisters, this inspiring and touching story somehow will help us understand today's gospel. When Jesus not only warned, but scolded the Pharisees for pretending to be the best and more learned group. Instead of encouraging people to enter heaven and to be close to God, they lack the kingdom of heaven because of their superficiality, legalism, and hypocrisy. Jesus did not contradict himself. There was no discrepancy between his words and actions. His life was one great mission of leading people to the Father. And he was successful in his ministry and his mission precisely because of his authenticity. And Pete, in our story, likewise at a young age was a missionary who led others to the kingdom of heaven. So, my dear brothers and sisters, the challenge of our gospel for today is continue and struggle and strive to be authentic in our ministry. Let us be genuine missionary. Have you or how authentic are we in living out our mission? Dahil sa ating pagiging totoo, sa ating pagiging authentic, mga kapatid, hindi lang tayo, kundi marami ang mapapalapit sa Diyos at maraming papasok sa Kanyang kaharian. Be authentic missionary. Let us be genuine in our ministry.